Hello all, today in this video I am going to show and demo for mango leaf disease classification with the normal ReLU, because in the previous code, if you are following your channel, means you may know that in the previous code we have worked with some activation function which is not in the MATLAB, and just we created a class definition, but in this work we are just going to use the normal ReLU, which is having defaultly in MATLAB. You can note in line 81 and line 88. Now we have just run the code. It has been all the approaches has been done. You can just see 10 approaches. We have given 10 approaches in line 103, and it has been completed. So you can see. Previously, while using the um, activation function, we got nearly 96% accuracy. That is, we the activation function which we created, we got nearly 96% validation accuracy. But now we are, while working with the normal ReLU layer in MATLAB, we are getting only 90% accuracy. This we can just see in this code itself. So you can see we are getting only 91%. But in the previous video, if you are following your channel, means you may know that in the previous video we got nearly 96 point something per accuracy. So definitely there is some variations in accuracy now, and also you can see the layers which we are having. The in the previous thing we are seeing, means we are having some activation function layer, and that layer was having some learnables too. But now if you are seeing, means this normal ReLU in the normal CN normal activation function which we are using, which we don't have any learnable. So this is the code for the activate confusion matrix. We have got nearly 100%, and then the ROC curve also we have displayed. So this is the code for ReLU. There is definitely some change between the original ReLU and the ReLU which we have created, and there is some advancement too, both in validation accuracy and also the mini batch accuracy. So this is the code for mango leaf disease classification. So apart from this, we have also displayed some values like performance metrics for graphs like accuracy, sensitivity, precision, recall, and all. So we are also changing the learn rate. Initial learn rate we have set, and we are changing it for every 3 approaches. So this is the code, and we have also changed this training variable in save this training variable in a net transfer function in the net, while changing saving this variable in the net transfer function. We can just check with the and guide function to test with many other images. So there will be no need to train our network each time. One time if you are training and saving, means it will be good. So this is the code for normal ReLU activation function with mango leaf disease classification. Thank you.